Hi, this is 𝐁𝐎 from 𝐕𝐄𝐍𝐵. I would like to share with you my favorite Peruvian ceviche recipe. And right now, I need to go to take a bite and go to the fish market to get all the ingredients and show it to you. So we have the Marlin fish here, which is the white fish. Is the fish for the ceviche. They have a lot kind of fish, but I only managed to find this one and some chili, because what I have here is in Philippines. It's hard to find that Peruvian kind of chili, and no lime. I only can get lemons. But luckily I have red onion here and a good kind of fish, fresh ones that I got today, and I'm eating by myself. It's only for one people to eat the fish, the ceviche, so I don't make too much. So first is you need to cut the fish to be a small, maybe 1 inch square. Okay, in here, and then the onion. Okay, looks like I'm not really good on this, so it's kind of holding up. Okay. The onion have to be half moon and very thin slices. So, like these half moon slices. So very thin slice until like this. You can tell. You can see here. So everything inside here, and then lemon. This is more than one of the lemons here is more than one. I use like 3-4 lemons. You can see it's cover the fish and spice. No need to be small. They just need to have a taste of the spicy inside. So like this. Okay. So the acid on the lemon will cook the fish. So leave it for 2 to 3 hours, depends on the fish is big or small. If like this, 2 or 3 hours is more than enough. And keep it in the fridge. It's very easy. It will be yummy for the next 2-3 hours for me. So now it's time to present the ceviche, and you need to put the salt on the fish before you put the lemon juice. I just forget, okay? So now is the presentations. I have the lettuce, and the main thing for the ceviche is the lime, the key lime, but I couldn't find in Philippines in this place. I go to 2 local market and 3 supermarket. I couldn't find lime. I'm so sorry. So let's see how I present it first. Then this ceviche been cooked for like 2 to 3 hours, cooked by the lemon. And if your fish is fresh, it's fine because it will be have a center part inside. Center part is like a sushi. Take my spoon. This is lemon cook. The ceviche is cooked by lemon, okay, not cooked by anything. So put it on here. So it's more likely like this, way nicer. Seasoning with some salt because need to put salt. I prefer original flavor, so not really salt. It's a table salt. This is my ceviche and my Peruvian ceviche. And Daniel cannot eat fish because he is vegetarian. I have to try my own ceviche. Hopefully the lemon is really able to cook the fish. It looks like it's turning to the white. It's good. It reminds me about the ceviche that I have in Peru. So easy and it is so nice. 1 minute. No, 1 second. I have to get my wine to prepare for it. I freeze my wine inside.
Freeze.
I freeze.
My wine is frozen.
My wine is frozen. I freeze my wine. I don't know what to say. Because last time I used to drink my wine, I freeze it and it was fine. And now I don't know why. Let's see, it got a little bit for me to drink or not. Okay. It looks like good. Wine with my Peruvian ceviche. This is good. Try it if you don't have a lime, but you try with a lemon. It's good. Look at my wine, it's already okay. Oh, it's good. So good because Philippines, they have a lot of nice fish and they are fresh because Philippines is islands, 1,000 islands surrounding, so fish is very fresh. Then when I see this, I think about, I want to eat Peruvian ceviche. They have Philippine ceviche. I will make it for the next time, and the ingredients is the fish, yes, but the marinate it or cook it. It's not with the lemons, it's with another kind. It's called calamari, and wait for my next video. So this is the recipe I share with you, and if you like my video, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will do it better for no more freeze my wine until frozen. Thank you.